mama, I'm in fear for my life from the long arm of the law.
Miranda versus Arizona is one of the most significant cases regarding police procedure and personal rights. The case began with the rape and kidnapping of a girl who remains anonymous. The case was appealed because Ernesto Miranda, the defendant, was not read his rights upon arrest.
For me, Miranda v. Arizona is a landmark case. While obviously the actions of Mr. Miranda were not to be condoned, it has established an important precedent that everyone arrested must know that they have the right to remain silent. They have the right to an attorney. If they can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to them, and also that they must understand their rights. Mr. Miranda confessed to the crime initially, but it was found inadmissible because he did not understand his rights.
That's the crime. I know you did it. Sign it. We have the evidence. You need to do it. Sign it. Stop talking. Sign it.
No comprendo.
Partner, get him. Get him.
2 hours later.
Confess to the crime. I know you did it. Yes, you did. Stop talking. I know you did it. Sign it right now.
The case began in the Arizona District Court. There, Mr. Miranda received 2 20 to 30-year sentences for rape and kidnapping. This decision was upheld in the Arizona Supreme Court and not reversed until the Supreme Court of the United States. Something interesting about this case is that he was retried and sentenced even without the confession in 1967. He was paroled in 1972. In a somewhat ironic turn of events, Ernesto was murdered in 1976, after which his killer, Ezekiel Moreno, exercised his Miranda rights and was not convicted.
¿Eres Ernesto Miranda?
Sí, ¿qué es tuyo?
What you say? That you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say?
Ay, Dios mío, es un criminal. Come on, Lily. Partner, Jim. Get on my back. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, it will be provided for you. Do you understand the rights I just read to you? If these rights are mine, do you wish to speak to me? Do you wish to speak to me? Very well. Justice has been served today. You need to confess.
I have the right to remain silent.
She got us, Jim. She got us.
Well, I think this is the finest spats we've ever made.
Walt!
Hank?
You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, you'll be provided one for you. Do you understand the rights I just read to you? With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me, Walt?
No!
Get on the ground. Get him, Jim!
I really need your help.
Clear here, guys, that my client, Walter White, would not and did not cook the methamphetamine.
But I saw him doing it right in the act.
I'm really just at a loss of what to say. I'm not a really good lawyer.
Come on, Jim. Let's go. We got the evidence. We got him talking. Now we just gotta give this to the police. Come on, Jim. We mean business. Okay, Jim. Goodbye.
Jim! Jim! Come on!
Arizona still Miranda.
You're under arrest. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You will be provided an attorney.
Okay, you messed up.
Adios, niños.
I got it.
Oh my god.
Saul, I really need your help.
Okay, sorry.
Am I right, ladies?
Am I right, Jim?